This video guide will help you to get rid of Pageguard.online pop-up windows that may attack Google Chrome browser. As you can now clearly see, the content of these pop-ups is fully in German language. These pop-ups promote the installation of Pageguard browser extension. The developers claim that by installing the extension Pageguard, you'll be able to get more security from your online browsing. But in reality, a lot of such third-party browser extensions may be involved in showing intrusive ads, and they may also collect some browsing-related information. Furthermore, pop-ups by Pageguard.online normally come up without the user's intention or participation. They may be the trace of some adware or potentially unwanted program enabled in your computer. If you ever see these pop-ups by Pageguard.online, consider checking your available applications because the occurrence of such pop-ups may be the trace of some adware. If you see it in your applications, remove them. Also, if you have mistakenly installed this Pageguard extension, or if you noticed that this extension was installed without your permission, of course, you need to remove it immediately. How to remove suspicious extensions that you don't want to see from Google Chrome? Go to the menu, click on More Tools, choose Extensions. So you'll find some extensions here. If you don't want to use them anymore, just disable and you may completely remove them. After all these third-party extensions are removed, I also recommend that you perform additional investigation of your Mac and its safety with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install the program, and then start scanning your Mac computer with it by clicking on Start Combo Scan button, which will begin the thorough research and analysis of your Mac. So this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner antivirus. Of course, in your case, it will be in the trial mode. But you may go to the antivirus section. The program will show you the total number of threads that were found during the scanning. Click on Review Results. So this is the list of threads, and not just the list, but rather their location. You may go to each specific thread, one thread at a time, until you find this icon that says Show in Finder. So this will show you its exact location in Finder. Here it is. You may right-click on it and move this thread to the trash. Basically, you may do the same thing with all other threads, or you may consider purchasing the premium version of the program to get rid of these threads automatically and to get your Mac fully protected.